What is up, boys? I'm back with another trading session, and this is gonna be my first trade. Let's go with the sellers for 5 minutes. And yeah, as you can see, I will take some candlestick psychology trades. I'm sorry, price action trades in this trading session. So stay with me, okay? So yeah, this is my first trade. Let's see if there's other opportunities in the market. There's a strong level, so I want to go with 3 minutes with buyers here, okay? And here we have touched the seller's entry, but this is basically pretty strong uptrend. You see the buyer's entry is so good at this level. Let's see if there's okay, here we have touched the pretty good demand area, and the price is trying to go up, so I go with 6 minutes to the upside. But basically this entry is not very good because this is a very big candle. It might reject and close somewhere here, so this entry sucks, and that's why I increase 1 more minute here. We might have a retracement and then a little bit of consolidation at this area, and then we push the price up. So if the price comes down, I might enter 1 more trade, okay? And here you see that it's trying to break to the upside, so I don't trust this. And about this one, I will enter. Okay, you see strong momentum here, and the trend line has been broken, so I'm really waiting for a little bit of consolidation, because it's already 5 consecutive green candles, so it's very risky to straight enter just now. And let me just this is the previous swing which has been broken. I am really I really want to wait to see how this candle is gonna get closed, to see if they it's worth it to take the trade or not. Okay, 4 3 2 1, that's very beautiful. I go double trade here. Okay, let's see. And yeah, you see that we might have a couple of, let me just open my pen real quick. And okay, guys, you might ask what this software is. I mark everywhere in this chart, in this kind of screen, this kind of software called Epic Pen. I have placed the paid version of this in my Telegram channel, so you can join. And yeah, I will post everything I mentioned in the video and all the useful tools and files and stuff. And we also have a discussion group. You can join and talk with other Dr. Grant community members and all that stuff. And yes, I'll link, there's a link, free Telegram link in the description. You see how beautiful this buy is because of this strong demand area. Okay, and about this one as well. Okay, you see that oh my god, this is very good manipulation. If here at this point of the market, everybody thinks that this market's gonna go up, but they don't know that about the supply area. Okay, this is the beauty of price action here as well. About the last one, this one. Okay, we're gonna have a strong trend to the upside. You know what, the markets basically have different cycles, okay? And here I see that the cycle of dropping has been end. Okay, so the price is gonna reverse the cycle, something like this, okay, until this level at least. Okay, so that's why there's a very good area for entering buy positions. For those who trying to kind of learn how to trade and be a good trader, I suggest everybody to first try to be good at price action, because when you're able to predict the next 5 candles, then you know that when you're when you're trading 1 minute, you know the overall direction. Is that right? You know what the overall direction is, so you're gonna take your 1 minute trades in that direction. And after that, when you know candlestick psychology, you know, even, you know, you can take better entries because you know where market's going, you know what the you know, some certain buyers and sellers and entries and all that patterns and all that stuff. And yeah, that's gonna just make you have more than 90% win rate. Okay, there's not such a thing as 100% win rate, because you know, humans make mistakes sometimes, and the market is not really 100% predictable. So we're just working on increasing the win rate. That's all we are working on. All the traders in all the industry of tradings, like forex, stocks, options, whatever it is, it's not you know, there's not such a thing as 100% win rate. There's also, you know, something that you might take the right trade, but you still lose the trade. That's what does it mean. That's why you know, everybody knows that the market is not 100%. Okay, even though here you see that strong buyers sellers candle. Before this candle, I didn't know that this round number is that strong, and also there's a beautiful supply area at the back. Okay, so we can't really you know, overanalyze the market for these. You know, if I overanalyze the markets, there's always some reasons to not take a trade, but you just have to be able to distinguish some moments that, you know, it's worth taking a trade. Okay, so for example, this one is a losing trade, you see that. Okay, there's a trend. I'm not going to take more trades because I already took my today's trading session, and that's enough for me. And even here I can go with buys, but I'm not going to do it because, you know, my trading session is over for now, and this is basically 2 trades and it's going to make up this loss. Okay, so no problem with that. And yeah, I hope you learned something. This is, I mean, it's not that easy as it looks, but when you learn and when you practice, that's the most important thing. When you practice enough that you can, you know, just look and see where the market is going, you're gonna be, you know, you're gonna be fine. Okay, so yeah, that's it for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed it and learned something. If you did, drop a like for me. I'm not gonna ask it more than one time anymore. Okay, yeah. Yeah, this is also moving average that I use for price action traded. You see sometimes, okay, we have different kind of support and resistance, and like I think we have 15 or 12 type of SNR, and the moving average is one of those. Okay, I use it a lot, and if you're wondering what this moving average is, it is 10 SMA. Okay, like the white. So yeah, this is up to you. And yeah, this is basically a dynamic support and resistance. When it breaks to the downside, you can combine it with the price action and you take your trades. Okay, for example, here you see that we broke the moving average to the upside. Okay, this is a breakout, and we pulled back and we got our first green candle, so we can go with the buyers for 2 or 3 minutes. Okay, that's you know, just an example of how it works. Or, you know, the pullback strategy, I will create a pullback strategy video. You see here we broke to the downside, you know, broke the moving average to the downside, and then pulled back to this trend line, which is combined with this moving average, and then can go with 3 minutes or 5 minutes. Okay, and yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope it was useful. And yeah, you can join the Telegram channel and have a discussion with the other members of the community. Okay, thank you, peace out.